Okay, decimal places. Let's talk about decimal places. So what are decimal places? Decimal places are simply positions after the decimal comma. So if you have a number with a comma, the positions that are on the right or to the right of the comma are your decimal places. So for example, if you had 331,21, these two positions here are your decimal places. So the number here has two decimal places. The number there has two decimal places. Now, if you looked at significant figures, you remember how we rounded off to significant figures. We can also round off to decimal places. So we're going to use examples to illustrate that. So I'll have four of these. Have 0,2173, 44,925, 1,0234, 0,0092. Now what we want to do, we want to round to two decimal places. So we want to round to two decimal places. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to identify our two decimal places. So first decimal place, second decimal place. Remember, it's after the decimal comma. You count 1, 2. Decimal comma, first decimal place, second decimal place. Decimal comma, first decimal place, second decimal place. Decimal comma, first decimal place, second decimal place. So this is where we're rounding off. So if we look at this first number here, after the second decimal place, we have a 7. The 7 is bigger than 5, so we'll have to bring this number up to a 2. So I'll get 0,22, right? I've rounded off to two decimal places there. And then for this number here, I have 9, 2, and then a 5. A 5 will bring this up to a 3. So I'll have 44,93. Remember, the rest of the number remains intact. I don't have to change things on the other side or move the comma around. And then here we have 0, 2, and then 3. 3 is below 5, so it has no effect there. So I'll have 1,02. And then I have 0,0092. 9 is bigger than 5, so it has an effect there to bring this up from 0 to 1. So I'll have 0,01. So that's how you make the simple rounding conversions when you're doing it with decimal places. So you just follow the number of decimal places you're asked to round off to, and then you do likewise. So there's a few questions for you to do. I hope you'll find them easy.